I'm sure you've noticed the giant bowling pins behind me. We have to knock these pins down before we officially open Splitsville. Now I know that seems like a very daunting task, but don't worry, we have thought of everything. We called in a bowling expert who is going to give us a crash course on the fine points of bowling. So ladies and gentlemen, please help me welcome our bowling expert, the one and only Goofy. It is so great to see you. I understand you're going to give us a lesson on bowling, correct? Yes, all right. And what is a how-to lesson without a voiceover? Take it away, Mr. Announcer.
Thank you, and welcome everyone to this very special edition of How to Bowl. Bowling is a fun, high-spirited, and vigorous sport that requires a keen eye, precise aim, and rock-steady nerves. The professional bowler begins by assuming the proper posture, holding his hand straight and swinging the bowling ball backwards away from him. Next, he begins to rotate the ball toward the opposite side of his body, while at the same time keeping his bowling hand directly underneath the ball, ensuring that his wrist remains straight. Finally, he releases the ball, allowing it to roll down the lane toward the pins.
Oh, Goofy, thank you so much for sharing your expertise with us. I know that's going to come in very handy very soon. So now, folks, I think it's time that we open Splitsville. So I'm going to call Guy back up. We are missing something. Goofy, do you think you can find us a bowling ball? Yes, you got it? Okay, perfect. All right, and Guy, no pressure, but in order to officially open this venue, you have to knock these pins down. Do you think you can handle it?
I don't know. This is a lot of pressure, especially with the big man right here beside me. But I think I need a little help from our team, our cast members from Splitsville.
All right. Come on out, everyone. Let's go ahead and help Guy knock these pins down.
Come on, Guy. Come on.
So everyone, please repeat after me. Knock them down. Knock them